So, are you looking for a job? If you are, have you thought about how AI might be able to help you? I'm giving a workshop tomorrow to a job networking group and came up with a number of ideas, which I thought I'd share with you, of things that you might not have thought of that AI could help you with. Have you thought about looking at the job and your resume and LinkedIn profile and making sure that everything fits? That's a pretty easy one. What about your competitive differentiation? Analyzing the job listing and other candidates' profiles, perhaps, to position your profile and pitch yourself for that job. Or what about recruiter simulation, simulating a recruiter or a hiring manager interview? Or what about mock assignments? You could have AI generate a mock assignment for you or a take-home project. Many interviews require that. Or if you're looking for maybe some kind of a pivot, you're having a hard time finding something, maybe you could have AI analyze in the region where you're looking for your job. What are the kinds of openings where you might be able to have maybe 80 or 90% of the skills? There are lots of things that AI can do to help you search for a job. If you'd like to talk more, the link is below. Have a great day.